Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show and tell how to convert JPG on iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the end. Please subscribe to the channel. Put likes. Let's get started. To do this, we need to go to Photos on your iPhone or iPad. Then open up the album. Select some photos that we want to change to JPGs. Once we've selected them, in the bottom right corner, click on the three dots. Here we click Copy, Exit. Open a folder called File. You should have it. Select iCloud Drive. Click on My iPhone. I click on the three dots in the upper right corner. Add a folder. Put any name you want. Go to that folder. Pinch and press Insert. We have inserted photos, and they are now automatically converted to JPG. Click on the top, and we can see that the photo has a JPG extension. We scroll through the next photo. Also click, and here it says JPG. This is the simple way to do it and change it. If you liked and helped this video, you can put a like, subscribe to the channel. Thank you all for watching. Goodbye.